Hi everyone, my name is Abel Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consults. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to import your drawing. It's very important that you know how to import your drawing into your Revit. Like you know, a lot of people may probably want to do their sketch on Autocad probably before bringing it to your Revit. But however you want to do it, you can do it directly from the Revit software. You can also do it directly. You can also do it in your Autocad. There are cases where probably another architect may send you a floor plan from Autocad and you may just want to import it into Revit instead of sketching them afresh again. So in that case, I will be showing you how to import your drawing into your Revit software. Now let's go into it. All you need to do is just to come to your insert tab here. Once you click on insert, then you can come to import card. So if I click on import card, you can see there are so many ways to import. You can import PDF, import image, import GBX, ML. So the integration of Revit with other softwares is very great. That is one good thing about Autodesk softwares. Okay, now all I'm going to do is to look for an AutoCAD file, which is an architectural AutoCAD file. So you can have it in your AutoCAD however you have it. Just come to your AutoCAD and import that file. You can see this is a drawing. I'll click on open, and once I do that, it will come up with a menu for me to do some quick editing on them. Alright, as you can see, that file has been imported, but the only thing now is the dimension of this. While importing this, I have to take care of the dimension. So this is not aligning with the default dimension of the Revit itself. So this is not supposed to be as large as this. It's supposed to be very small, like the way we have this one here. So we are going to correct that, and I will type Ctrl Z in order to undo what I have done. Now it is gone. All right, we are going to re-import this all over again. So while I click on the import card, this is the very important menu. I need to take care of those dimensions from here. If you look at this here, I have the colors here preserved, so I can leave it at preserve. So it's going to preserve the original colors from the AutoCAD file. And then this is the import unit. So I will change that to millimeters because the default setting from my Revit is in millimeters. So this is where we had that challenge. And then what level? I am currently in ground floor level, so and I want to import this in my ground floor level. So however, you can remember we have series of levels which we created in previous episode, where we showed how to actually switch from one level to another level. So I want to do this in my ground floor level. So all I need to do is to make sure that this is at ground floor level, and then this is auto origin to the internal origin. So from the origin of the file there in the AutoCAD to this origin in the Revit, this is where it's going to place that for us, so that you don't have to go into the process of searching or zooming in and out in order to locate the file that has been imported. So once I do all of these, I can just simply sorry, I didn't select the file. I will select this file and I will click on open. Good. Now you can see this file has been imported, but it is going to be like a block file. Okay, so it's going to be like a block file. You can't actually do anything serious with it until you. Now let me just click on this. If I click on this, I have simply just unpin this particular file. Now the good thing about this is that I can trace this drawing exactly as it is on my Revit, even without me having to. Now it's going to be way more easier than sketching. If I already have this in my AutoCAD file, it makes it way more easier. So if I click on my wall now, for example, and I want to insert this wall here, all I need to do, you can see the center lines can be, I can pick these center lines. You can see I'm just simply tracing these walls, which makes it very interesting. I'm just tracing these walls. So it's similar to what you have done sketching manually in the Revit itself. Now all you need to do is just to insert any of the your opening, whether it's a window or a door. However, I can just simply just click on this and select the size of that particular window. Let's say it's 12 by 15, for example, and I will locate the center of this wall because this is at the center, and I will place it. So this is how simple it is to achieve this. So if we look at this from the 3D, although I have messed up with the existing, but this is the wall that we created from the AutoCAD file we imported. You can see it has taken shape. So I have been able to explain how to import your drawing, so you can just simply do this in order for you to import your drawing. But I'm going to Ctrl Z this to undo what I have done. And mind you, you can move this file that you imported into the Revit. Okay, you can move it so that it doesn't tamper with what you have. As we progress, there are some great things we can be able to do that I will explain. How to import a ground floor, import a first floor, and all of them would be aligned. Okay, so but then let me pin this back, and then oh, it's sorry. So like I said, I can move this file from here by simply using the move tool to move this. So once I highlight this, I can simply just move from any point and I will drop it here. Now you can see I have moved this away from this, so I can simply do all my sketch here. So I can simply sketch this here. All right, let's look at this at the 3D. So but I'm going to undo it though, in order for me not to tamper with what I have done before. Now you can see it's way more easier to achieve if you already have an AutoCAD file. Okay, you can just simply trace around it, and that is all, and you can insert all your opening easier and faster. All right, so we have been able to show you how to import your file. I will see you in the next episode. If you love what you are seeing, make sure you just like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon for you to always get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.